Hello guys, this is Luna Reviews, and Luna Reviews presents ding, 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 a fire alarm. Let's get the video started. So, we got this fire alarm. About this fire alarm in June. We got this fire alarm in June. And gonna get a full station for it. Okay, let's review. It says fire on top. It's made by KK Moon. Looks like a system sensor or a Spectre alert. What? Anyways, here I wrote some fire stuff. The strobe of the alarm has 6 LED lights that flash. Anyways, let's flip the alarm over. Here we are. Here we are with like this thing. This thing right here, we think it's for volume. We don't know yet. We don't know if it's for volume or for the tone. It might be for the tone. But anyway, that's what we think it's for. Let's go lift it like this. Here is the pockets for the wire. Now, we review what the fire alarm says. Now, we will read right here. Okay. Fire alarm siren. Fire alarm siren. Working voltage DC 24/12V. Working current 75 mA/90 mA. Alarm kind of sounds like Spectre alert. Yeah, Spectre alert. I'm not sure. We'll just say we're not sure if it's Spectre alert. SPL 110 dB/105 dB. Tone 3 tones made in China. Tones 119, 120, 110. So now we know what are the tones. So these things right here are tones. Number 201. 201. Let's read the top. Production name, fire alarm. Model 1041. SKU S991. Input DC 24V, made in China. This thing right there says that picture is do not throw in the trash can. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. And make sure to comment down below what fire alarm you have. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.